Let's grilled or ihaw tayo ng talong. Ayan, so there is already koila yung uling dito because I add more this charcoal because I have collection of charcoal. So now we'll put now these 2 eggplants here. I'm craving of tortang talong, so that's why I make this eggplant. Iihaw natin. Gawin natin tortang talong. And it's raining outside. Today is April 4 and today is Saturday. And time check now is 11:35 p.m. As you can see outside, it's raining. Hailstorm, yung maliliit na hailstorm. Ayan, natunaw na Ayan you can see. Ayan. But it's raining. Ang lakas ng ulan. Very heavy rain outside. As you can see, you can listen. Naririnig nyo yung patak ng ulan sa yero. Lakas. Ayan. So this is already cooked, I think. Ihaw tayo ng talong for tortang talong. Ay, nawala na ang kuryente dahil sa lakas ng ulan. Ayan. It's a heavy rain. Since 2 days ago, it's already raining. Then pa-stop yung yung ulan. Now I use only 1 egg, and then we'll put also salt and pinch of black pepper powder. And then I will add also this organic spring onions. And this one also I will put later on. So mix na natin ganyan. Ayan, fry na tayo ng talong, tortang talong with slices of tomatoes. Then I will change side later on. I already changed side. Yan, ito na yung aking tortang talong with slices of tomatoes. Yan, umuusok pa oh. I make fried rice for me and then with spring onions, organic. Because yesterday night I cooked rice, so I have still extra here. And this is already my tortang talong with slices of tomatoes. This is only for me if Fatma she like to eat, then she can eat also my husband. But I'm sure they don't like this one and fried rice. So I cook for them separate chicken curry with chapatis. So I will this one only for me. Fried rice. Fried rice with spring onions, organic. And this is already my tortang talong with slices of tomatoes. Let's eat lunch, everyone. Fried rice with spring onions and tortang talong with slices of tomatoes. So I have still here. Ayan, bagong umuusok pa. Ayan. So kain tayo ng lunch. Masarap ang aking lunch. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sarap.